students, I am Professor Dr. Beena Diwan, Director Faculty of Law and Governance from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I hope you all are safe. Today's our topic is dissolution of Muslim marriage. So, shall we start? Okay. Firm union of the husband and wife is a necessary condition for a happy family life. Islam therefore insists upon the substance of a marriage and prescribes that breach of marriage contract should be avoided. Initially, no marriage is contracted to be dissolved, but in unfortunate circumstances, the matrimonial contract is broken. 1. If the wage of such dissolution is by way of divorce. Under Muslim law, the divorce may take place by the act of the parties themselves or by a decree of the court of law. However, in whatever manner the divorce is effected, it has not been regarded as a rule of life in Islam. Divorce is considered as an exception to the status of marriage. The Prophet Muhammad Sahib declared that among the things which have been permitted by law, divorce is the worst. Divorce being an evil, it must be avoided as far as possible. But in some occasions, this evil becomes necessity, because when it is impossible for the parties to the marriage to carry on their union with mutual affection and love, then it is better to allow them to get separated, then compel them to live together in an atmosphere of hurt and disaffection. अगर वो कैरी करने में उनके लिए मैरिज को इम्पॉसिबल हो जाए, दोनों में प्यार नहीं रहे और कोई प्रकार का अफेक्शन नहीं है, तो ऐसे में ये नेसेसिटी बन गया, डिसॉल्यूशन ऑफ मैरिज. द बेसिस ऑफ डिवोर्स in Islamic law is the inability of the spouses to live together rather than a specific cause on account of which the parties can't live together. A divorce may be either by the act of the husband or by the act of the wife. There are several modes of divorce under the Muslim discuss hereafter. Clear? Modes of divorce. A husband may divorce his wife by repudiating the marriage without giving any reason. Pronouncement of such words which signify his intention, his disown the wife is sufficient. Generally, this done by talaq, but he may also divorce by ila and jihad, which different forms of talaq, only in form, not in substance. A wife can't divorce her husband of her own accord. She can divorce the husband only when the husband has delegated such a right to her or under an agreement. Under an agreement, the wife may divorce her husband either by khula or mubarak before 1939. A Muslim wife had no right to seek divorce except on the ground of false charges of adultery, insanity, or impotency of the husband. But the Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act 1939 lays down several other grounds on the basis of which a Muslim wife may get her divorce decree passed by the order of the court. Clear? There are two categories of divorce under the Muslim law: extrajudicial divorce and judicial divorce. The category of extrajudicial divorce can be further subdivided into three types. कौन कौन से हैं वो? By husband, talaq, ila and jihar. By wife, talaq taweej and liyal. By mutual agreement, khula and mubarak. The second category is the right of the wife to give divorce under the Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act 1939. Talaq. Talaq in its primitive sense means dismissal. In its literal meaning, it means setting free or taking off ties or restraint. In Muslim law, it means freedom from the bondage of marriage and not from any other bondage. In legal sense, it means dissolution of marriage by husband using appropriate words. In other words, talaq is repudiation of marriage by the husband in accordance with the procedure laid down by the law. The following verse is in support of the husband authority to pronounce unilateral divorce is often cited. Men are maintainers of women because Allah has made some of them to excel others, and because they spend out of their property when the husband exercises his right to pronounce divorce. Technically, this is known as talaq. The most remarkable feature of Muslim law of talaq is that all the schools of the Sunni and Shia school recognize it, differing from in some details. Clear? Conditions for a valid talaq. Number 1, capacity. Every Muslim husband of sound mind who has attained the age of puberty is competent to pronounce talaq. It is not necessary for him to give any reason for his pronouncement. A husband who is minor or of unsound mind cannot pronounce it. Talaq by a minor or of a person of unsound mind is void and ineffective. However, if a husband is lunatic, then talaq pronounced by him during lucid interval is valid. The guardian can't pronounce talaq on behalf of a minor husband when insane husband has no guardian. The Qazi or a judge has the right to dissolve the marriage in the interest of such a husband. Second one, free consent. Except under Hanafi law, the consent of the husband in pronouncing talaq must be a free consent under Hanafi law. A talaq pronounced under compulsion, coercion, undue influence, fraud and voluntary intoxication, etc. is valid and dissolve the marriage. In Shia law, under Shia law, also other schools of Sunnis, a talaq pronounced under compulsion, coercion, undue influence, fraud or voluntary intoxication is void and ineffective. Formalities. According to Sunni law, a talaq may be oral or in writing. It may be simplified. The husband or he may write a talaqnama. No specific formula or use of any particular word is required to constitute a valid talaq. Any expression which clearly indicates the husband's desire to break the marriage is sufficient. It not be made in the presence of the witness. Express words. The words of talaq must clearly indicate the husband's intention to dissolve the marriage. If the pronouncement is not expressed and it's ambiguous, that it is absolutely necessary to prove that the husband clearly intends to dissolve the marriage. Express talaq by husband when clear and unequivocal words such as I have divorced thee. The divorce is express. Express talaq is divided into two categories. Talaq sunnat and talaq biddat. Talaq sunnat has two forms. Talaq hasan, इसको हम मोस्टली अप्रूव करते हैं, एंड तलाक हसन लेस अप्रूव्ड होता है। तलाक की सुन्नत इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी इन अकॉर्डेंस विद द डिक्टेट्स ऑफ प्रॉफेट मोहम्मद। क्लियर?